Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your certificate of insurance on CoverWallet step by step clearly. To update your certificate of insurance on CoverWallet, start by logging into your CoverWallet account. Enter your email address and password on the login page. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Policies section in the menu. Click on Policies to view all your existing insurance policies. Identify the policy for which you want to update the certificate of insurance. Select the specific policy by clicking on it. Within the policy details, locate the option for Certificates of Insurance. Click on it to access your current certificates. To update the certificate, look for an Update or Request Certificate button. Click on that button to begin the update process. You may be prompted to fill out a form with necessary details. Ensure you enter all required information accurately. After completing the form, review your details for correctness. Once confirmed, submit the request for the certificate update. You will receive a confirmation message that your request has been submitted. The updated certificate will be sent to you via email once it is ready. Check your email inbox for the new certificate. If you do not receive it within a few days, return to your CoverWallet account. You can check the status of your certificate update in the Certificates of Insurance section. Feel free to contact CoverWallet support if you have any questions or need assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.